Okay, hello guys, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and in this video I'm going to prove to you why you need with the better Q turret eyepiece revolver. Okay, this is the eyepiece revolver. It's already installed over there, okay, where the phone is, and currently it's installed without a Barlow, and that's why I'm trying to show you that you really need why you really need a Barlow lens, just to be able to correctly focus your image, okay, when you're using a Newtonian telescope. And this is an example of a Newtonian telescope, the Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ. So yeah, so let's just see what's this revolver all about. Okay, you know, sometimes you would you want to use a number of focus zooming levels. Okay, so this one can let you have a number of zooming like a number of eyepieces different focal lengths. Okay, and therefore you'll have different zooms, so I can have different four different zooming levels. Also, see, I can just revolve it. Okay, so I can just revolve it like this to take the next eyepiece. So as we said, we want to tell you and show you why you really need a Barlow lens with this. Okay, you can use it normally on a refractor. I haven't yet tested it on a SCT whether you need a Barlow or not, but on a Newtonian, of course, you will need a Barlow. Now, currently it's installed without a Barlow. Now, if you see with me here, and if you look with me here, see the focuser shaft is at its minimum here. It's tangent to the telescope. Okay, see, and when it's so tangent to the telescope, okay, at the minimum, you can see with me here on the review of the Samsung phone that it's focusing only this line, this line, okay, while the far areas, this is a near one. The far, you know, the telescope has 2 points where it can focus, okay, on a single eyepiece. So this is the very well good looking image of the line here is the near focus. The far focus is here for the far buildings. Now now it's, as we said, it's on the shaft is on the minimum, okay, on the bottom. Now if I focus, I can focus maybe if you want using for the far areas using the phone, like if I do this, okay, it will focus it, but still if you look with me, I should have made it clearer. So as I said, this is well focused. Okay, the line here is well focused. See, the far areas are not focused. Okay, if I put a Barlow, it will focus the far areas. Okay, and you will have a better range of moving the or a longer range of moving the focuser shaft. Okay, so so let's put a Barlow lens. Now I'm lucky that I have not that strong Barlow lens. So what I have is this. Okay, this one. This is a Datasun Barlow lens. Okay, it's a 1.5 Barlow lens, so that's the good thing. If it's not a 2 times, just a half, it's enough. Okay, just to make the telescope a little bit stronger, so you can move the focuser to the focus a little bit, be pulled out into the shaft. Okay, or pushed out, whatever you like. So now the good thing about this, okay, this Barlow lens, is that I just can remove this part, which actually contains the lens. Okay, and this can be also as a T-ring too, if you want. Now Now I did remove it, as you saw. I'm going to remove the revolver. Okay, I see the difference. So just for the ease of use and scooping the barrel, I'm going to do it like this. So this is it as a whole. Okay. The phone slide a little bit. Okay, so I installed the barrel. Now it has a barrel now. As you see, it's a barrel now. Okay. Now, again, let's go back to the telescope. Okay, and we'll fix the phone because it's moved. Okay. As you see, it's now because the shaft is at the minimum. Okay, see, it's at the minimum here. See, yeah. So now I moved the focuser a little bit just to show you that it's at the minimum. Now I'm gonna focus the phone again. See, I'm moving and now, of course, I'm getting a stronger zoom. Okay, a more focus zoom in, but as you see that there's that line. Yeah, here's that line. See the line here, the black line that we had here. Now, of course, because we focused more, we zoomed more, I mean. Okay. So let me fasten that. So yeah, so this line is now on the near focus. Now I'm going. Now is what we're seeing now is the far focus. I see it's now better looking. Okay, now better than before. So if I can now move the focus to focus now the near end. Okay. See, and if you notice that. If you see here with me now, I am having what a longer shaft. Okay, so this means that's why you need like a barrel just to get it done. Okay, just to get it working. Okay, so if I put it like here to get the far focus, and here's the far focus. Okay, so you see, it's not focused. Okay, this one. Okay, so that's why you need a barrel lens with every extension that you add to any kind of extension similar to this Baader Eyepiece revolver. All of them, any extension, you need any add-on to that focuser, you'll need a barrel lens. This is the rule you have to follow. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button so you will get notified of anything new from me. Thank you. Bye.